moving past the wall, D. Let's go. Look, look, look. I see new stuff. I see stuff I haven't seen before. Oh. We're losing Juan. Go. Oh, my God. I am seeing it with my own eyes right now. Awesome. Good morning, guys. Bright suns. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Woo! Yay! Bright suns.
Welcome.
Thank you, guys. Good morning, bright suns. Yay! Everybody. Good morning, bright suns, bright suns, bright suns. Awesome. Woo! So cool. Bright. So many bright suns.
This is cool.
Right behind you, D. I experienced nothing without you. Man, look at everything. Here's the bathrooms. About 2 bathrooms right there. Men and women. Oh man, look, D. Look around the corner. Look what it is. You see it?
Yes, I see it.
A TIE fighter. Everything looks amazing. They'll be doing stage shows here, looks like. There'll be some awesome stage shows going on here. Oh!
Hello?
That's spicy goodness.
Hello?
Millennium Falcon. Millennium Falcon line. Right here for pictures? Awesome.
Right after you, if anybody comes after you, we're just gonna go. Do you want any more?
Just a Sky and Alley. Pretty cool, huh? Can't wait to take our picture. Are they waiting for a picture too? Hey, Justin! How's it going, man? Hey, Allie. That's cool. Can't wait to take this picture, man. Can't wait to take this picture.
Where are they doing it?
I'm assuming that they haven't started yet, so.
Oh, that's why everyone's just kind of in a mob.
Yeah, exactly.
Don't get too close, people start yelling at you.
Don't get too close. Adam the woo. He's wooing it up over there. He's gone, he's gone. He's disappeared. Man. Awesome, awesome.
I'm hiding my tears. My sunglasses.
I thought I'd seen everything at Star Wars Land, but Autumn the Woo? Come on. I've seen everything already. How's it going, buddy? Good, man. Awesome. How's it going, man? Yeah. All right, right on. Man, I can't wait to take my picture. This is like full size, man. Full size.
I wish there was a photo op where you can go inside.
I know.
The queue goes upstairs, so all of that behind the Millennium Falcon is glass.
Yeah?
So when we're walking through the queue line, we'll be able to see it.
I can't believe we're doing it. Look, it's right in front of us. Millennium Falcon is right here. It's like, I can almost touch it. I can almost touch it. Oh my God. It's right there. I'm getting a bit sweaty. I'm getting a bit excited. Exclusive. Oh, this is more exclusive than you ever thought. The picture has been taken. I will put it up here. Hope you guys love the picture. It was great. What a great experience. Okay, now to go to the ride. Step 2, Galaxy's Edge visit. Ride time.
See that?
No, I did not. We're gonna be on TV. Now to find the standby line. Oh, we are in the building.
The trash cans.
I know the trash cans look cool, huh? What's in the cargo? What's in the cargo? What's in there, Juan?
2 pounds.
2 portions. Really cool. Almost like an arch unit. It's all rusty too. Oh, cool. Look at the window. You can see outside to the Millennium Falcon. Oh man, we're almost there. Oh, there's Hondo.
I can't believe you made it. It's good you made it back. Good for you.
All the way forward for me, friends.
What are the engines blowing up?
We'll talk later. I have to do everything around here. Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Oh, you better let me have a power. Oh no, for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine friend! Yes, as we agreed, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? The first order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. And if and when you are successful, the rewards will be astronomical for me. And you, of course, after all, you will split 70-25 minus your 10% off 25.
Right this way. Thanks, right this way, right this way.
Yes, what is
Right this way.
Cool.
Oh, that's dope.
That was really cool. Like a little hallway where they'll start loading us, possibly giving us our titles in the ship. Hopefully D and Juando will get to be pilots. Oh yeah. Juando and Devo going to get the coaxium for Hondo.
Three things. He's looking for pilots, gunners, and engineers. More information about each of those positions here on your credentials. In the meantime, remember that you are the flight crew with the white credentials. Flight crew with the white credentials. Head on in and welcome aboard the Millennium Falcon. How many here?
Oh yeah. What'd you get? D got a pilot! What? What'd you get? I get to be a gunner. I'm a gunner! Chewy's in there already. Oh man.
Oh man, stand right there. Oh my god. Stand right there. I had to move. I almost got the exit side.
Oh, sorry. Oh, how cool! Mind blown. Woo.
You don't need to go to the cantina. You can just sit right there.
I know! They got a holodeck here, and you can play it.
What do you have?
Gunner? I'm a gunner! Oh, I know where the button is. Ah, that's the button. Oh, the buttons work. Somebody push a button. Look at those twinsies. They both pilots. Call out the turns, okay? Good. Whoa! Somebody touch something. Push the button. We found it. Woohoo! Our picture time. The ship was going crazy right now.
What's that? That's it?
I don't know. What's in here?
What did you get?
Gunner.
You better shoot. Right.
Pew, 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 pew,
Else.
pew, 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 pew,
Time out, huh?
Woo! We're on our way! Oh man. How freaking cool! Hondo's on the screen. Listen to him.
Brand new flight crew.
One, see right there.
Do you all? Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first order training shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, You harpooned that precious cargo. Move on, my friends. See you in the cockpit.
Yeah, did anyone pay attention to what we're supposed to do?
Oh, no.
Pick it up.
Yeah, you stand in your certain spot.
Stay in your spot.
Yeah, you're standing.
Oh yeah, right to there. Oh, it opened. I didn't see it. No.
Go this way, everyone. Let's go.
Keep it moving. Oh, cool.
Oh my god.
We're in. Gunners back in the middle.
Gunners are in the middle, engineers are in the back. Everyone needs to take a seat and buckle your seatbelts first, otherwise we're not taking off. Everyone activate your consoles, push the flashing button. You're fixing, you guys are defending the ship and you guys are fixing everything.
Oh my god. Oh, there's a lot of air in my face right now.
Your flashing buttons. You better be faster. Pilot, push the flashing button to take off.
Go deep.
I was
Oh, we're leaving Batu.
pull back on
One. Go up, guys. Go up. No, come on. There we go.
Left pilot. Make the jump to light speed.
Left pilot. Good job, Dean. I gotta shoot. Shoot, buddy, shoot.
Yes, keep shooting.
Get close, guys. Get close.
They've locked
Get
on
closer.
course. Take it easy, that shot.
No, other way. There's a train. Catch up with it, guys. Get it. Up. There we go. We got it.
Left pilot, brake.
Engineers.
Okay.
No.
It's yes.
We got that.
Push the button!
Gotta get all the buttons here.
Taxi out. You see,
Here we go, guys. Shoot these guys. Let's get another one.
Maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilots.
Gunners, go!
We can harpoon that last car.
To the right, guys. To the right. One to the right.
Pilots, into the center.
To the center.
Those big white rings.
There you go. Get it. Got it. We got it.
Oh, that's ridiculous.
Get those fools. Yeah. Oh, no. This shit's going to work. Guys, go. Oh, man.
Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry.
Missiles, go, missiles.
Yeah, we got it!
Oh, man. Wow.
I don't believe it, but we made it. No.
Hey, mistake. Get it, Dean. Oh, no, shoot him. Get that strike.
Pilots, evasive maneuvers.
Evasive.
We've got company. True is right. If we lead them back, they may find the resistance. Only 3 left. You did it. Watch out!
Watch out.
That's going to live on.
No.
Yes, Chewie will fight.
Oh, my God.
This will greatly help the resistance.
made it back, guys! Yes!
Damaging the Falcon is...
Oh,
yes!
Hey, white girl, look over here.
16%.
Oh no, that's not good.
It's all right.
We got it. Nailed it.
Red button, D.
I'm waiting for it.
Oh, there you go.
5, damage report. Engine failure. All right. Hypergravity. Ooh, that is going to be...
Oh
Try
again.
Well, it could be worse. Life support failure. Okay, that's something. I'm just going to cut you off there. It might be faster if you listen to parts that are not damaged. You know, the ones that help us to breathe.
Good job, D.
All right. You
Take my photo. Take my photo.
Quickly, quickly, quickly.
This way, good run.
Pull the lever, D.
Yeah.
We got it. That was so cool.
That's fun.
That was awesome. That was the best. I was a gunner and I shot my hearts out. What did you guys think? Did you guys love it? I was the best, right? All right. See you guys in the next adventure. Woo, woo.
So much fun.
Yes, yes, another one. Yes, woohoo!
Okay, so the water fountains, these are the water fountains, and this is the filter for your cup.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
How cool. Someone give me a cup. The hyperdrive. Oh my god, I seen that. I'm like, oh my god, I wish I was D. Next time
It was fun pulling the...
I want to do it, I'm gonna do it for me, and I'm gonna.
So how they pass up the cars, the first two are 2 pilots, the second 2 cars are gunners, and the last 2 are engineers. That's how they have them stacked.
Hey, there's Adam again. Oh, he got his reusable bag. We need to get some of those. Droid Depot. Let's go. There's all the droids over there. There's the droid parts. See how they come on a conveyor belt?
The other side, I didn't see any stickers.
Yeah. Get that droid made. Astromech stuff.
Make them extra spicy. Or maybe you should make them look like
There's that blue clear head where it goes.
I'm a snake.
R2, I was looking for a... Oh, here they come, the black body.
Let's come here.
You want a black body one?
Come down here.
Hello.
Oh, you're all set.
Ooh, that's everything in it?
She did it so fast.
Yeah.
I didn't even get it on tape.
Do over.
No, it's okay. But here, you just select the ones you want. He's already got it. So now we go to the building one.
Alright, follow me. Here are the instructions on how to build your R series. You use the drill to connect your leg. If you need help, this is the alert button. Call the technician. Technician will come help you.
Okay.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Let's watch Steve put them together. Yeah, screws.
They can be pretty loud.
Other way, dude. Yeah, there you go. Like that.
That way?
Yeah. Maybe you can have the right person to build this.
Jam it in there, D. There's a hammer next to you.
And you see the screwdriver?
All right, bud. Whenever you're ready, press the red button. Let's fire it up.
Yes.
Yeah, watch your droid to the light.
You can just turn it the way you want it to. You need some help, D?
No, I was just tightening it down.
You got it?
Yeah.
All right.
Snaps in place.
You gotta hold it while before you get the tool.
Alright, see, the droid has now been activated. Let me tell you how the remote functions work. It's going to be to roll your droid forward and back there.
Check
You're going to roll your droid side to side, left and right. This is for sound, and this is for the head. With our unit, just remember, you gotta push the legs back. And then the little ankle, go forward. The middle ankle will go backwards.
Does he have a middle foot?
Go ahead, test them out.
I was, because they roll on the bottom, I was just...
They roll very quickly, so just be careful. Oh, good. Yours will also roll very quickly. But congratulations, you just built your own droid. Awesome. I love his other toys too. If you guys ever get a personality check for this guy, or right here, this little kid. Yes, credit. Congratulations. Thank you. You are welcome.
This one, it doesn't matter which way it goes.
Let me see. Like that. It looks like it's both in and slide them in.
Yeah, like this.
Popping out the window. Toggle the little window.
Click right in. Looks like it's.
Right in. Now he's got his legs.
That's cool.
See what you're doing.
Put the head
You
on.
gotta put the dome on.
I believe so. I know another kind of screw like this is to open up that back.
Line up the screw holes.
It's going to be very, very back. Yeah, right. Good.
Should be facing this way. His head's backwards. There you go.
Turns.
There you go.
Yeah.
Any screws that need to be attached there? One on the top.
No.
Then we're done. Did it hit clicking?
Yeah.
Looks like it did.
No.
That's going to be a pretty busy place.
What's that?
Let's see where you're going. I'm going to put around here too so you guys don't lose it.
Oh, if you want different colored ones or what?
Do you guys know where you're heading next on this?
No idea. We're almost done, but I'm tired.
Oh. These are little plastic parts.
It's a nice
For
little
what?
water, kind of look at stuff, and there's quite a lot of fun things on here. You guys enjoy the rest of your stay.
Slide it over there, I can see it. Slide it over there, I can see it.
What do you mean? Right here?
Because you're way over there, I can't see anything.
Hi guys, great song.
Hello,
How you
what's
doing?
up?
Good. How are you?
Great. Do you guys need help at all?
Maybe. What are these
Hey, no
parts for?
shame in asking for help. Not everyone to be a master droid builder your first day here.
Do you need to have those in there? Or?
It's just like a little, I wouldn't say,
Because they swivel open. I just push it in.
yeah, you should just kind of snap right in.
I feels like I'll break it. Oh, okay.
Or if you ever get the different changing like panel colors, like
Yeah.
swap out like all this stuff, it feels the same way. It feels
Oh,
like you're
okay.
gonna break it, but they just snap right out.
Oh, okay,
They
great.
don't break, they just snap. But it feels like it. My first time putting together, I was like, I'm gonna break this droid, and then everything worked out good.
And this will go...
Those go on the legs.
Oh,
Those
the
actually
legs.
go over here. I'll hold them for you.
No, wrong way.
Like that?
Yeah, there you go. Perfect.
One on this side
And then
too?
the other one.
No more black ones. Is there a black one over there in the middle?
Let me look for you.
I think so. Here you go.
Oh, yeah, I found it. Oh, okay.
I'll bring these over just in case though. Alright.
And then is there a front one right here? Oh, no, those were the
No,
arms.
those are the legs.
Oh, the
Those are the legs you just put on.
Okay.
I'm gonna turn your droid on and then we're gonna activate him.
Ooh, let's activate them.
Gotta make sure he's on first though. 1 second.
I mean, he does come with some power on him.
Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta make sure these droids are functioning. Alright.
Got a remote. Put him in there.
You don't want 2 droids with the same remote. It has happened. Doesn't happen very often, but
How come mine's not moving, but that one is?
They're both moving in sync.
yeah, we're still waiting for Mubo to work out those kinks and those mechanics. You know, it's a one step at a time kind of
Oh,
thing.
one activation at a time, huh?
Heck yeah. We'll get there one day. Harry. Activating. All right,
Push that red button to activate him. Priming. Acoustic signals. Primary photoreceptor.
He's moving!
Logic function. And droid activation.
Alright guys, are you ready to test your droid out?
Yes, we are. He's ready.
Alright, so for your remote functions, to roll your droid forward and backwards, it's going to be these two guys. To roll them side to side, this is for sound, and this is for his head. With the R units, you got to remember to move the legs back, and the legs, you have to angle forward.
What was this one for again?
For to move his head.
Oh, his head.
And then the middle leg, you got to go.
You got to angle him a little bit. Okay.
Or else he won't really be able to roll anything.
Yeah.
Just be careful, but go ahead, test it out for me.
Oh, he's fast.
They're very fast.
Spin him.
I'm scared.
Have him do a little spin. Oh, wow, he's so fast.
They are very, very fast.
Good for running around Galaxy's Edge.
We wouldn't recommend rolling him around on planet. You don't want to step on him. You don't want Hondo to accidentally smuggle him off planets.
Oh, I know, he might disappear.
We like to get the insurance.
Not for droid insurance yet. I might run that by him though. You know, he's always going to make a good deal.
Yeah.
If you ever get a personality chip, it's going to go right here.
Okay, I'll get
cool.
that.
Real easy, just pop it in.
Pop it in. Awesome.
This is handy carrying case for you guys for your droid.
Cool.
It's got a window so you can see where you're going, even though you can't roll him around. He still knows kind of what's around where he is. You know.
I hear he kind of interacts with other droids or other.
So he'll act with different droids. Those droids like to talk amongst each other. I don't know what they talk about, but you know, they like to talk.
Gears and sprockets.
If you decide to get a personality chip, depending on which one you get, who you affiliate with, no judgment, it will react differently depending on where you go. So let's say you get a resistance chip and you go to the First Order area. First Order and resistance don't really get along, so your droid might be a little more shy, a little more kind of like nervous chirps. Versus if you take him to a resistance area, he'll be a little more lively.
Right on.
You know, if you get a resistance chip, you don't want the First Order messing with him, interrogating him anyways. I'm gonna put him out here just so you don't lose it. Everything's in one spot.
He's already getting nervous.
They like to chirp. Let's throw away.
First Order. Already getting nervous,
Well,
huh?
he doesn't have to, so if they don't get a personality chip, it's not really that very common droid. Sounds, he'll still make normal droid sounds, he'll still do droid stuff as droids like to do. So, the personality chip's just a little like enhanced up. So if you feel really strongly towards First Order resistance, or you know, you're like us, you're just trying to make credits, you want to be a scoundrel, they just kind of react off that.
Cool.
We don't speak to street rats.
Thank you very much.
You are so welcome. Have a great journey,
Thank you
guys.
so
See you
much.
next time.
Bright Suns. Look at G, so happy with her droid. He's moving. Hey, what's up, buddy?
Good. Trooper, on me. Right away, sir.
You want the milk now or on the way out?
Let's get it now. I'm thirsty. Does it?
I don't like it.
It's super sweet, or what? Juan says he's not a fan of the blue milk.
You see Tony?
No, where is he?
I'm just asking.
No, I haven't seen Tony. Oh, they're walking in now, huh?
Yeah.
Tony's gonna be at the back of the line. Let the herds go!
We made it!
We made it! Check out the rest of the land. Market that way, spaceport that way, old outpost that way. Oh, Joey! I thought it was Adam the Woo. It's just Chewy.
3, 2, 1.
Chewy! How cool, thermo detonator Coke.
Yeah.
They blast out thirst. Kablooey! It's gone. No more thirsties. No more thirst. Thermo detonator.
In the water.
In the water. Looks like it's from out of this world.
Arbish writing.
Amish. Kind of like Amish, but Amish. Open that. Let me take a sip of this.
You ready?
I think we're ready to head down to Hungry Bear and head on out.
Okay.
Okay.
Horsey! Horsey! Horsey!